and welcome to my tutorial where I show you how to use the quote generator. First step to create a quote is to press this button, new quote, the script will run, and we have here new quote created. We click OK, the quote number appears here. Next, we complete the details of the client. Client name, email address, I'm going to put my own email here, and client company details. Next, we have the product or service, let's say it's marketing, the price. And after we have built the draft for our quote, we're just going to press generate quote. The script will run and it will create our quote. After it creates the quote, we can see here that the system put here for us the link to the PDF with the quote, so we can double check it before sending it to the client. Also, it has updated the status of the quote to generated waiting approval. So let's go to the quote. Check it. We have the client name, company details, our company details. So as I said earlier, we have here the company name, comma, address, comma, VAT number, and so on, just so that it looks pretty. And we have our items here, marketing, copywriting, website building, each with their own price, each with their execution time, and the total already calculated for us. Now let's go back to our system here. And the link is the same for the quote because the quote number is the same. We checked it, all good. So let's approve it. We select approve for all items, and after we approved it, we send the quote. The script will run and the quote will be sent to our client, to the email that we wrote here. And it will also automatically be copied here in the database where we can have an overview of all the quotes that we sent. As you can see, we have all the items here, the date at which it was sent, and also here in this column, the next follow-up calculated based on the date that we sent it and what we selected here. So we already have 3 here, which means that the next follow-up will be after 3 days. Today is 1st of March, so the next follow-up will be on 4th of March. If we select here, let's say 5 days, we want to send the follow-up after 5 days. The date here already changed and it will send the follow-up on the 6th of March instead of 4th of March. Now, one important thing, as you can see, this column here is a little bit different than the others. It works based on the formula. Here is the formula, so it's very important that you do not write in this column. Now, one thing about the follow-ups is that the system will send the follow-ups only if the status of the quote is sent. Because let's say you select the follow-up to be sent after 5 days, like we have here, but in the meantime, the client accepted the quote. You don't want the follow-up to be sent once the client has accepted the quote. So in order to make sure that we don't send a useless follow-up to a quote that has already been accepted or declined, then we just change the status to accepted or declined. And no matter the date here and the date here, the system will not send the follow-up because it checks the status and it sees that the quote was already accepted. So no need for a follow-up. Same if it is declined. Now, one tip, if these rows bother you, we are going to keep only the first one. So here is the first row, the main one. We're going to select the row, the next row beneath it, go to view, group, and group it. Same for row number 5. Select it, go to view, group now. And you can see the little minus here that appeared right next to row number 3, which means that if we press it, those rows will automatically disappear under number 3. And we will have only one row per quote to look at if we need to check the status or the follow-up or whatever we need to. If we need more details about all the products in that quote, we just press plus and all the rows will appear here with all the details. And finally, let's look at the email that your client is going to receive. You can find all the emails that were sent from your document in your sent email. And this is how the email will look like. So we have client name, please find attached your quotation. And here we have the PDF attached to the email, just as we built it. And that's about it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to message me and enjoy your quote generator. Hello.